Video. First of all, you can see the beautiful review of our IX or IX app. So guys, don't be worried about this project. In this video I will told you and explain everything. You can see that this project is very enormous project, and you can also have a decentralized platform. You can invest your money and get doubled. You can see that their whitelist is now active and it's only 6 days 5 or and 18 minutes are here. I will also give you the review of their white paper, so don't be worried. When you click on whitelist, you can see the review of their whitelist. Just enter your email address here and enter your first name and enter your last name. Let me show you. First of all, you can see that my email is zad91@gmail.com and my name is silent9. When you click on join this email and enter your last name, means my name is Night. Let me show you. Click on here Night. When you can see that my enter wallet address there, BP20 contract address here, and enter, just enter. You can see that there are only 400 winners, and you can also be a part if you want be a part and enter your wallet address here and be a part of their whitelist. You can buy this whitelist in a very huge amount. You can also be in the top 400 winners. You can see that it's end on 11 October 16 2021, and this is the time where you can see there only 5 days and 21 hours 60 minutes or seconds are left. So you can also see the views when you click on this. So here after that you can see that this is very over enormous project. You can buy this everything. So IXIR is a very decentralized cryptocurrency based on the Binance Smart Chain network. It is the field of activity of such as DXX and everything, fair launch and staking and everything. What is IXIR swap? Here you can see that when you will read this you will understand very well. So now I will give you a review of the Telegram group. So when you click on white paper, and you click on white paper, you can see a beautiful view of their white paper. You can see their IXR swap. It is the white paper of IXIR swap. Here you can see there are many updates. You can see their decentralized cryptocurrency with the word history code X requirement. You can also see the subcontext, what is IXIR swap and what is IXR swap and why IXR swap, IXR fair launch, IXR audit and everything. So you can also join and be a part of the community. So guys, if you have some bad doubts, you can also clear your bad doubts and do your own research on this project. And when your research will complete and what the analysis will do, you will do research and be a part of the community. So it's not a fraud. I hope you will like this and buy this in a huge amount. So after that you can see the review of their view of IXIR swap and what is IXR swap and everything. So guys, basically in white paper they will give a review of their website. So when I explain the website, I hope you will understand very well, and if you have some doubts you can under anything in my website, in my video on website, so you can join this white paper. So I will give this link in my description, so don't be worried guys, and be a part of the white paper and explain everything. So I hope when you will read the white paper your all doubts will be cleared and everything. So let's came to our home page, means website. After that you can see that you can also join on Telegram. Let me show you. When you click on Telegram, you can see a review of the Telegram. There are only 472 members are there and 133 are online. This is the guys Turkey group. You can also join if you are belongs to Turkey, and you are also join and be a part of the community. After that you can also see that the English group, you can see there are only 1356 members are there and 273 are online. So guys, its project is also belongs to decentralized farming, staking and DX platform BSE, the world first ICO DEX exchange platform. So you can also join it and be a part of the community. You can also join on Telegram. Let me show you. When you click on Twitter, you can see that this is the follow here and see their post before 16 hours ago. You can see there before 16 ago there admin posted a video like, hey guys, whitelist opening now, or go to our website and participate. You can also join our website and everything. It's a chance for you to buy one in a very short time. I hope you will buy this everything. You can also see that the features like exchange, means wallet, about it, wallet and exchange, what are the exhaustive community, accounting records, regularly audited everything, exhaustive community. When you read this you will understand very well. After that you can see that there are 4.4 billion are investors money, means over 4.4 people are there who invest their money in this project. And you can also see that 21 plus billion are sold on tokens. And guys, if you join or become it's too late, I hope you will buy now, so in a very huge amount. You can also see that you can also give some ratings of ICO captain and ICO rating and ICO bench and ICO mark. Let me show you ICO bench. Let me show you. I can give the rating of ICO. So guys, it's a chance for you to buy one in a very short time, so just click and buy now. After that let's came to our home site, and they can see there after that you will see a beautiful review of the benefit tokens and what are the benefit tokens. And before going to benefit tokens, you can see there our efficient computing services and blockchain features. Institutional ICO and token listing and ICO services are going from planning and execution. ICO campaign providing a CO token ability via listing on IXR tours. Guys, when you read this, you understand well. It's also a card and exchange, and this project will also belongs to NFT, so you can also play world games in this project. Sell more tickets to renovate and everything how it's working on read this, you will understand very well. The benefit of token holders means what are the benefit of the token holders. You can see their platform of over launching fewer ICO, large scale services without boundaries, and using command contract. There's some using smart contract and everything. You can also fix your rates about this exchange, and also you can also use this for token system, everything. You can here you can see that this is a decentralized application with a distributed database. I hope you will buy this and join this and be a part of the community. Run on ICO from anywhere. What is running your ICO from anywhere? Let me show you. You can see that its main goal is to bring 20 million new retail investor to crypto by eliminating of all obstacles on the way of crypto. Here you can see that there what is our ICO date and what cryptocurrencies are accepted there. You can see the ICO date are only 17 September, number 6 2021 and 21 UTC time. Only acceptable BNB and BUSD are there acceptable. Currently the number of tokens for sale are there on 30%, means it's a very huge amount, it's 30 million. And token exchange rate is 1 BNB is equal to 124 USD, means the BNB rate is 4 to 4 because one nowadays BNB rate are good now. You can also see your contract just will be announced. Don't be worried guys. Minimum transaction, and you can see that if you are selecting in BNB, you can minimum transaction will be 0.5 BNB. If you are selecting in BUSD, you can minimum transaction will be 5 to 5. 212 BUSD. You can also see their ICO progress, like we show. You can also see their soft cap right. The each addresses are there. 120 are their soft caps and hard caps are $88. 880 means it's a very huge amount. I hope you will accept this. After you can also see the tokenomics, means what are the initial token distribution. You can see that there are only 10% for 2-year log, and after you can see the 10% advisors, 1% per 1 year per log, and 3% for the whitelist no lockup, and 30% for the pre-sale. You can also buy this token on pre-sale and get more profit. 5% for DX pool fund, 15% for development and monthly log, 10% for month log, and 10% for partnership and 1 year log, and 7% for reserve funding 1 year log. So you can also join this and you reserve your money in here, and your money will be safer. It's a guarantee of their project IXIR. Here you can see that some roadmaps. Let me show you. First of all, you can see that in August 2021 they will do some pre-seed investments like $100 and everything, put there on a crypto building security and everything. Here you can see after that you can see that in September 2021 they will do a collaboration of platform. So resale time start, resale time line smart contract as frameworks and documents and everything. In phrase 21 you can see there are 2 token sale for a say token sale phrase, means if you hold this token in a very huge amount and one day, means after within 2 to 3 months their price will goes to $1. So if you hold 1,000 token dollars, you will earn more money and you will get rich become in a very short time. So I hope you will buy like this and a very buy this in a very huge amount. After that you can see that Nova 2021 they will do their own DX exchange like PancakeSwap, and liquidity will be logged. And on December 2021 you can see the launchpad will launch, and after 22 you can see that their mega tax exchange. So guys, their VN are very high. They will want to promote your project in all over the world, and also they want to grow your community, everything. After you can see that our motivational team are there, our board advisors, our lead companies, all over the company, the ecosystem and the developments. So guys, here you can see there our team, what are their owner team and what are their team, who are they and everything. Let me show you. First of all, you can see there Bearded Orson, it is the community manager and everything. Bearded is a excited technical turning potential. You can see that Idris Shin is the CEO, he is the CTO, and Fyodor Galadoko and software development, and Kirill Adunsan, this is the economic research leader. So guys, I hope you will like my video. Don't skip my video, watch my till end here. After that you can see that the raise application coming soon, means the rise, their price will rise one day. So I hope you will get more money now. So it's a chance for you to buy this money now. You can also install this app on Play Store and apps on Google Store if you are using Play Store. If you are using iOS, you can install on Play App Store, and if you are using your Google Android phone, you can get this app on Play Store. Here are some ask frequently questions. You can also read the question if you have some bad doubt, and after that, and finally and shortly, you can also use their on which social site you can join. You can join on their Telegram and on your official Gmail and Twitter. I will show you. I will give you these links in my description. So don't be very guys. On get help to your unique business, means if you need some help you want to join and you will get some help, you can read this.